I'll be recording this meeting and then I will upload it on our Telegram channel where you will have access to this video. You will have access to this video so that if you go back to understand even better, you can always do that. I'll post the link to the Telegram group at the end of the class.
Okay.
Okay. So today we'll be learning about Forex. That is the introduction. Leo hakuna chat mtaona. Today you won't be seeing any chat, but not to worry, chats zitakuwa for the rest of our lives. But tuanze tu na introduction so that you can have a foundation, a solid foundation before we begin on the technicals. So to learn what is Forex and what is traded in the Forex market. We'll also be learning about currencies, and then learn about the trading sessions. So,
yeah.
Right. Hold me just a minute. So, I think we'll begin with what is Forex. I know most of us have a basic idea of what Forex is, considering we are all interested in Forex. So we've tried going out there to research on what Forex is all about. Cindy?
Yeah.
So like Forex, it's just simply the exchange of one currency with another currency. Okay. So it's a whole global scheme. Like every country has its own currency. For instance, ukienda Tanzania, you can't use the Kenyan money. You'll have to change into Tanzanian shillings, right? And then you'll have to change your Tanzanian shillings to become the Kenyan shilling. So Forex is that exchange of one currency to another currency. But in this concept, in what we are learning about Forex trading, we will not be learning how to trade those currencies per border. No, we'll be learning how to trade those currencies online. Yeah. So the Forex exchange market, it's actually bigger than the stock exchange market. So we all know about New York Stock Exchange. There's also Nairobi Stock Exchange. I think there's Dubai Stock Exchange and London Stock Exchange. So it will be interesting to know that actually Forex trades much more than the stock market. So that is why it's very lucrative for you to learn how to trade the Forex market. And also another advantage is hivi vitu zote zenye mtalan on about Forex market, Forex trading, you can also apply them when it comes to stock trading. So they correlate. What you learn about Forex trading, that is how to trade, how the different tools to use. Kijisikia pia to venture into stock market, you can also trade there using the same strategy you'll be learning kwa hii class. All right?
Yeah.
So the Forex market is open 24 hours in a day, 5 days in a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But it is not open during the weekends. That is all you need to know. It is not open during the weekends, which is different compared to crypto, because I think crypto operates also during the weekend. But okay, kuja to Forex trading, you can only trade from Monday to Friday. Friday midnight na midnight ya usiku ya Sunday. That is ukiamka Monday. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the basic introduction on what Forex is. So I bet ukiulizwa kama someone has dollars, akuja kwambie, because I hear you do Forex trading, if you can trade for him those physical dollars. See, you know that is impossible. Mwambie tuende kwa bureau. Because the Forex trading, it has been simplified. It has been simplified yenye wameweka kwa platform on the internet to enable us, everyone else, to trade rather than only banks. Because kitambo ilikuwa specifically for only banks and these big organizations. But now they allow individual traders, that is us, wenye tunaitwa retailer trader, because we trade using little amount of capital as compared to major banks and governments. So that is why it was put on the online platform to be open for all to trade. Okay. Is there any question? Ama hapo penye tumefika kuna swali yoyote?
Sina.
Nice. Aki, if you can, let's just be vocal kwa class. It would be good rather than kunyamaza. You know, nisikuwe najiongelesha. So, what let's move on to what is traded in the Forex market. According to nimeelewa venye nimekuambia, Forex market is just the exchange of currencies. So that means chenye natradiwa tu ni nini? Pesa. Si ndio?
Yeah.
It's just money that is being traded in the Forex market. And we all know that money, or rather a currency, can be affected by various things. Kama maybe kuna elections, the currency can be affected. Kama maybe kuna a political war, ama political instability, the currency is affected. If there is economic growth, hiyo ina affect positive. Kama kuna inflation, that is a negative. Kuna vitu kama interest rates, all those will come to them, but it's good to have an understanding that those are the various elements that affect your trade, that will actually affect your trading. You remember when Trump was the president, every time I tweet something, the USD would lose value like crazy. That is exactly what I mean by political climate. So always be on the lookout. Kama kuna instability somewhere, political instability somewhere, ama there's a war somewhere, do not trade those currencies. Like USD was really, really bad when Trump was in power. But again, that will come later on when you're learning about fundamentals and how news affect the Forex trading. So, as I've said, the price of the currency is usually a direct reflection of the market's opinion on the current and the future health of its respective economy. Basically, what this means is you as a trader, you want to be trading a currency that you know it's that you know their economy is strong, and there's a likelihood that the currency will gain value. Because if the currency loses value, you will lose your money. So you always want to be trading a currency that you know for sure it's going to gain value. Na hakutakuwa na hizi like stupid or insane tweets from the government. Okay. So I think I've explained that the Forex market is open 24 hours in a day. That is 5 days a week. And closes only during the weekend. See, you know, okay, it's okay. I think we can move on. Let's go to the next slide. Is there any question back on your slide? Hi, Christy, you're welcome.
Hi, I waited for you to start and you were not starting, so I got into another Zoom training. So I've just excused myself from the first one. So will you send us yeah.
The recording? Yes, we will send you the recording on a Telegram group. So I'd ask you to download Telegram on your phone or on your computer. Because that is where we'll be posting the video.
Okay.
Okay. So we move to currencies. We know that Forex trading is all about trading currencies. So, so we move to currencies. Sai, if I ask you, what is the one currency that comes into your mind?
US dollar.
US dollar, Another one,
Sterling pound
yes, pound. Hakuna mtu
and
anasema
euro.
yes, euro, yes. No one is saying Kenyan shilling, but also the
Oh,
Kenyan shilling,
Japanese yen.
yes, Japanese yen, like that. So you all understand what currencies are, right?
You've mentioned Kenyan shillings. Do you trade in Kenyan shillings?
No, I don't trade in Kenyan shillings, but I was asking about the currencies.
But okay.
Okay, because every country, I believe almost all countries in the world have their own currencies. For some, a country like Zim. See, they have the dollar. Many the countries when the economy is so down, they have pegged their currency on the dollar. So many countries in the world have their own currencies. That is why we have over close to 180 currencies. Okay, hizo zenye mmesema USD, pound, Japanese yen, euro, and the likes. Sawa. So the currencies are divided into three major categories. This is very important. Currencies are divided into three major categories. We have majors, minors, and exotic. Majors, we are here. Majors, these are the pairs that contain USD on one side. Okay. So ukisikia kama USD Japanese, that is the major. Anything with USD, that is a major. Okay. And then we have minors. Those are the pairs that don't contain the USD dollar on any side. For example, GBP card is also AUD card, like that. Bora haina USD on any side. So, and now we have exotic. I'm sorry?
Why are they categorized as major and are not major? Why?
Majors are the currencies that are traded the most in the Forex market. Yes.
Okay.
Like many people would rather trade anything with the USD because they see the USD is one of the superpowers and it backs almost all the currencies in the world. So that is why all the pairs with the USD, anything that contains the USD is considered a major, and kama haina USD, that is a minor. And then exotic, that is why things like Kenyan shillings zinaingia, because hizi ni currencies of developing countries. Countries that have less stable economies, they are not traded mostly. Yani they are the people who trade these pairs ni wadogo sana. Okay, so that for example, kuna Kenyan shillings, kuna rand, and also maybe Mexican peso. Bora the country is developing, that is considered exotic. So this is an example. This figure shows an example of the majors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is an example of the major. I think this should be another one. Euro USD, that is Eurozone in the United States country. We nickname it EU. So mainly you will find in the TikTok live, I'll say EU, so that represents Euro USD. And if you find someone saying GU, that represents GBP USD. So it's good for you to learn this because this is mainly how I'll be saying them. Sitakuwa nasema USD Swiss ama USD card. No, nitakuwa natumia some nicknames. But you can always ask me if you can't remember the nickname. All right.
Yeah.
Like if you can see here, hapa kwa currency pair, we have Euro USD. So, even if you just take Euro, this EUR, Euro, the currency symbols always have 3 letters. The first 2 letters identify the name of the country, and the third identifies the name of the country's currency. Kama sasa hii, EUR, the first 2 identifies the name of the country, that is Euro, European, And then R identifies the currency, the name of that currency. So ukikuja kwa USD, see US means United States, and then the name of the currency ni dollar.
Yeah.
So even here, hata ukichukua JPY, anyone who can tell me what it means?
Japanese yen.
Yes, Japanese yen. So mpaka hapo kuna swali?
Na hii pesa ya nini ya Switzerland inaitwa?
Hii ya Swiss
Yeah.
inaitwa Swiss
Inaona
franc.
okay.
Swiss franc.
CHF. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kuna swali lingine? Banziro, kuna swali yoyote?
Sina swali.
So tuendelee. So si nimewaambia kuna majors, minors na exotic. You have seen the example of majors. Bora tu iko na USD, hiyo ni major. Haya, this one shows easy kulingana na how I've explained between majors and minors. What would you say easy ni? Easy currencies ni? Ni minor ama ni majors?
Gani za Euro crosses? Hizo ni minors.
Yes, ni minors. Kwa nini?
They don't have USD.
They don't have USD. Na ni mob sana. So this is just an example to show you how venye minors zinakaanga. Okay. And then tuanze kuingia kwa technicals. Kuna swali mpaka hapo kabla niingie kwa technicals?
My question is, will you send us these slides after so that we can continue studying on ourselves?
Yes, I can send you the slides. Na also, I have a handout.
Yeah.
It's a combination. So I'll send both the slide and the handout.
Okay.
Sawa?
So,
So mainly, venye umesikia nimesema Euro USD, kuna Euro na kuna USD. This is a major, clearly, because iko na USD. So what this, inataka tu ujue how to read this quote. Euro USD. Euro is the base currency and USD is the quote currency. And this 1.04716 is the exchange rate at the moment. Or rather, leo ilikuwa imefika hapa. Okay, hii si lazima ati ukue unajua. I just wanted you to have an idea. Ndio ukiuliza, hata ukienda huko nje, you know what a base currency is na what a quote currency is. So kwa all, kama sasa hapa, seme maybe this AUD JPY, AUD is the base currency and JPY is the quote currency. So ya kwanza ni base currency na ya pili ni quote. Sawa? What this means for every 1 euro, I think, yeah. For every 1 euro, 1 euro goes for 1.047. Actually, I think it's the opposite. Yeah.
and does this fluctuate like, let's say today I want to convert British sterling pound to Kenyan shillings. Sometimes it goes higher and sometimes it goes down.
Yes.
Do they affect when you are doing the trading, the markets?
Because unajua the reason why you're trading to capitalize on that exchange rate. Sindio?
Oh, okay.
You're trading so that you can capitalize on that exchange rate.
Okay.
Okay. So like now, Euro USD, it just means that for every 1 euro, you sell, you will receive $1.04716. That is all you need to know. Usijistress na hiyo information. Usijistress na hiyo information. It will come naturally when it comes to charts. Sawa sawa.
So.
Okay. So So here, slide nasema, currencies are always quoted in pairs such as GBP USD, USD Japanese yen. The reason being they are quoted in pairs because in every foreign exchange transaction, you are buying, you're simultaneously buying one currency and selling another one. So,
Yeah.
okay.
Exactly.
Technicalities again, but I just want you to see how the quote looks like. Even. And I want you to understand the first currency is always the base currency. The second one is the quote currency.
And when you are saying the base currency in this one, what are you unamaanisha?
Namaanisha for every €1 you exchange, you get 1.0471
So
dollars.
the base currency is the currency that you are like trying to, you are buying from.
Yes, the one day, yes. The basis for the buy or the sell. Yes.
Okay.
Ni sawa? Ukikuwa na swali uliza, niko hapa.
You know, this to me, this is entirely a new area that I'm learning from now on. So I need to read more and internalize. Maybe next week I'll have the next class I'll have more questions because I'll have absorbed what I'm learning. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I totally understand it's the first time coming into the industry. And that's why I will be sending these notes, and that is why this recording will also be put on the Telegram group. Ndio, if you have any question, you can always refer kwa recording na pia kwa group, the WhatsApp group. Kama uko na swali, just post it there. So, the objectives of Forex trading. Basically, you want to make money off. You want to make money off the Forex trading. Yes, Miriam?
Sorry, there was a technical issue on my side.
Okay.
So I'm lost.
Okay, we just went through 2 slides, the currencies, the types of currencies. And then that is basically majors, minors, and exotic, and how to read a currency, how to read it, na how to read the Forex quote. Hii yote iko kwa, simwambia the class is recorded. You can always revisit the class. Ama ubaki after class, nitakurudishia, tuta repeat the slides that you missed.
Okay.
So objectives of Forex trading, basically to make money. I know everyone here anataka to make money. So that is the objective of Forex trading. Mtu asikwambia it's not to make money. It is to make money for financial freedom, sindio? But now, if the objective of Forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change. So when the price will change, that is when you find either you've made money or you've lost money.
Okay.
You can make money trading when the market moves up, and you can also make money when the market moves down. So in both situations, market ikienda juu, you can make money. When the market is dropping, you can also make money. And the opposite also applies. When the market goes up, you can lose money. And when the market goes down, you can also lose money. I know some people think market ikienda, when the market goes up, that is when you make money. And when it drops, that is when you lose money. I know some people might think that. Cindo?
Even that's what I thought.
Okay. But now, sasa umejua, the market ikienda juu, you can make money. Now when it's dropping, you can still make money. Okay.
Yeah.
In introduction, from the next
Yeah.
one,
I'm still wondering how.
You're still wondering how. I love how you're curious. But in introduction to, I just want at the back of your mind, you always know you can always make money in the Forex market in as much as you can always lose money in the Forex market. So it's ubaki tu ukijua hivyo.
Okay.
Market ikienda juu, there are opportunities. Market ikishuka chini, kuna opportunities. So mostly kwa hii class, or rather, hakuna kitu kingine nitakuwa nasema. Nitakuwa na the basic forex terms nitakuwa natumia ni, if I mean the market is going up, that means the market is buying, or the market is long, or the market is bullish. Nimepoteza watu hapo.
I'm lost.
How about we start with this? For starters, when the market is going up, I'll just say the market is buying. Okay?
Okay. That's when nasikianga mkisema at market iko sawa.
Market inakwanga sawa hata ikienda juu ama ikienda chini. You remember nimekwambia, if the market moves up, you will make money. Na if move down, you can also make money. So let's stick na, nikisema buy, just know that the market is going up. Na nikisema sell ama short ama bearish, the market is going down.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So ideally, you buy a currency pair if you believe that the base currency will appreciate relative to the quote currency. What do I mean by this? Venye tumesoma Euro USD, base currency ni gani?
Euro.
Euro. Quote currency ni gani? USD.
USD.
Yes, Christy?
What have you asked?
Nilikuwa nauliza kwa the example that we had huku, between USD,
Yeah.
Euro na USD, which is the base currency and which is the quote currency?
It's the USD.
USD is the quote or base?
USD is the quote, Euro is the base.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that is when you come here, you see, you buy if the pair you believe the base quote, you buy the currency pair if you believe the base currency will appreciate. So if you believe the Euro will gain value, you buy Euro USD. You buy. Hapo tuko pamoja. Nataka kueleza how you can make money when the market goes up and how you can make money when the market is coming down.
Yeah, it's starting to make sense somehow.
Somehow. What about you, Bazir?
I have a question.
Yes.
Like kwa hiyo example yetu tumesema Euro USD ni hiyo 1.04716. So ukisema we are buying, does it mean unasema like Euro, like that value will go up?
Yes, this value will go up.
Oh, okay.
If you go up, either ikwe 1.05 ama 1.049, so that is going up.
Yeah.
That is buying.
Ni buying or
Yeah.
long or bullish.
Yes. So if you believe that this value will go down, the opposite also applies. Yeah, you would sell the currency that is USD if you think the base currency will depreciate, lose value relative to the quote currency. So hapa, if you think, let me just add this, if you think the Euro is going to gain value, you buy. If you think, it's not striking. Nita correct iki.
For example, there's that the people are saying that kuna watu wana hold the US dollar because iko juu, but watu wanasema you better sell it now because kuna wakati itaenda down if
Yes.
instead of holding it. Yeah.
Unaweza sema hivyo. Nilikuwa hapa. Unaweza sema hivyo. But you can say that hiyo ya kuhold. Like now, for instance, at the moment, I am in a short. Nikisema short, you understand me say? I'm in a short ya Euro USD kutoka last week. Because I think the USD is Meaning
itaenda
value.
chini. Yeah.
Yes. Sindio?
So now you are selling it, you are selling it to like una sell kwa currency gani?
Kwa Euro USD. I mean, me who trade Euro USD.
Okay.
So nikisema I am selling Euro USD, it means I'm targeting that the USD is going to gain value compared to the Euro.
Okay.
Nikisema I am buying Euro USD, I mean I am targeting that the Euro is going to gain value compared to the USD. Tumeelewana? Haya. Case for instance, GBP USD. So if I sell GBP USD, what does that mean? What am I thinking? Am I thinking?
That if you sell?
If I sell GBP USD, so now that is one of the majors.
Yeah.
Because you think that GDP, pound it a fall, so
Because,
you are selling.
Yes, nothing pound it a fall, na USD it gain value. Sindio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. So now that we've understand why we trade Forex and the objectives of Forex and how to read a quote, tutasoma about the trading sessions. Remember tumesema the Forex trading market is open 24 hours a day for 5 days in a week, right?
Yeah.
So in those 24 hours, there's something that we call sessions, trading sessions. Okay. A trading session is basically market ikifunguka in different parts of the world. Because we have different parts of trading minis in the world. We have what is it called? We have GBP inakuanga mostly during London session. We have London session, we have New York session, there's Tokyo session, and there was Sydney session, but we'll be focusing on 3 trading sessions. You'll understand why. So the market can be broken into 4 major trading sessions. That is the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, the London session, and Trump's favorite time to tweet. Well, that was New York session. What I mean by session is when the market opens in Sydney, when the market opens in Tokyo, and when the market opens in London, now when the market opens in New York.
And I think it also fluctuates with the changing time.
Yes,
Yeah.
it fluctuates. Mostly, you'll find that easy sessions, nikisema open of a session, it means ile time banks zinafunguliwa. Ile time banks za hiyo country inafunguliwa. Kama ni Sydney session, time yenye banks za Sydney zinafunguliwa. Kama ni London sessions, time yenye banks za London zinafunguliwa. Sawa?
So,
So, na 4 major trading sessions, but nowadays, nakuanga na 3 peak sessions, like sessions zenye utafind mostly watu wana trade hizo sessions. What do I mean by this? These are sessions where there's movement in the market.
Yeah.
So that is Tokyo, London, and New York sessions. For me personally, I trade London session because hiyo ndo time nakuanga niko awake, alive, and enthusiastic. But no, I trade London session because hiyo ndo time ina align na my day. Okay.
Yeah.
So London session wanga inaanza from 10 a.m. Nairobi time, closing at 6 p.m. New York starts at 3 p.m., closes at 11. Na Tokyo starts at 2 a.m., closes at
that one is crazy.
The next time. So hata ukiangalia, if you're in Kenya, see unakwanga hours between 10 and 6 p.m.
Yeah.
So this is the most opportune session for you to trade. But la unaamka usiku unang'ang'ana kuangalia market. Na ukiangalia hizi sessions, you see London inaanza from 10 to 6 na New York inaanza 3 to 11. So unaona hii inafunga 6 na ingine inaanza 3. Hapo
Yeah.
katikati kuna overlap between 3 p.m. na 6 p.m. Hii inaitwa
Yeah.
overlap. When two sessions are in sessions. Two sessions are active.
Na unaweza kuwa una trade na zote mbili at the same time.
Only kama zipo active.
Okay.
Kama sahi Kenyan time ni 9:43. Session yenye iko sahi ni saa gani? Kati ya hizi tatu session gani iko open?
Ni ya New York na ni ya New York. I'm asking.
Yes.
I'm asking kama let's say ya New York between wakati hii ka time inakulana 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. Unaweza kuwa umefungua market zote mbili, unaangalia ya New York na unaangalia ya London at the same time.
Actually ni market moja.
Okay.
Ni market moja, only that hizo times zina overlap. Utaona kuna a tool that usually tells you ni session gani. But also it's good to note during hii time yenye zinakulana venye Christy amesema between 3 p.m. na 6 p.m. hiyo inakuanga the best time kwa ina trade. Why? Unaona banks mbili ziko open. So kuna high volume of trades, high volume of money moving around.
Okay, yeah.
Na pia another time ni between 10 a.m. Actually inafaa kukua hapa hivyo 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Anything like from 9 to 10 a.m. it's very good because kuna interlock ya Tokyo na London.
Okay, like if I'm trading nikiwa na huku sasa.
Sasa juu you're in the UK,
the bank starts at 8, so as long as it is from 8 I can start trading.
Yes, so long as it's from 8 you can start trading. Alafu kuna hii link iko hapa, you can always use this link kuangalia time zone yako na kama session iko open if you're not sure of your session. Nitatuma hii link kwa group.
Yeah.
So it's also important to know that daylight savings can affect the trading sessions. Kuanga na ile time daylight trading, I think you're most affected by daylight savings.
Oh. I think this is good knowing this, because let's say like even when I'm sending money to Kenya, I use this currency converter. I can look at when inatuma pesa mingi na when inatuma kidogo.
Oh, umefungua?
Sijafungua nakuanga naye na convert.
Okay. Up to hapo kuna swali yoyote?
Okay.
So this is actually a graph that shows you the trading sessions na the volume yenye inakuanga na hizo trading sessions. By volume I mean the number of people wenye wana trading. Like if you're focusing on